Oh, this is BB Shooter 200, and I have a bird trap. I'm doing this in my backyard, so not very the best place to do a bird trap, but I just want to show you how to make one. It's pretty simple. It just needs something to drill a hole in a stick. Oh, this would be better also if the stick was in the ground. I just have it leaning against a tree. And you need a drill, some kind of drill to drill a hole. You need string. I don't have the best string either. Long stick and a knife. I have a rock tied on the end so it pulls down, and you tie a knot so it holds onto the stick and goes through the hole too. And then you just have an overhand loop that you use for the noose. Okay, now what you do is you put the line through the hole, which is right here, and until the knot comes out. So when this rock applies pressure on the knot, this stick right here, which I rounded off, will stick in the little hole that is made right here. And it's kind of wet too, so it's kind of sticking to the hole. You put the stick in there, it sticks in with this little knot right there. So now take your overhand loop and you put the string through it. Like this. It's kind of hard with one hand, and you carefully put the loop on top of the stick, like so. And we'll see if it works. So when it could also be used for squirrel and birds. So when the bird, I don't want to use my hand. Oh. When the bird lands on this stick right here, trigger this, and it'll catch the bird. And that's all. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching on BB Shooter 200.